bank robber rode straight into Spooksville, and I ain't asking nobody to go riding in there to bring back nobody.
Poor devil.
Let's go back, boys.
What is this? A galloping freeway? Spooksville. I've always wanted to see a ghost town.
Ha ha! They were scared to follow me in here.
Whoa, this does look spooky.
They says crime don't pay. Looks like I got company. The spook of Spooksville rides again. Boo! Ha ha ha!
Ooh, I must be seeing things.
Now let's see, where was I?
Well, what do you know? So he wants to play boogeyman.
Ooh, this feels good. Oh, gracious sakes, a ghost! Please don't harm me, Mr. Ghost. There ain't no such a thing as a ghost, is there? That's what I figured. You sure there ain't no such a thing as ghosts?
One more and they would have discovered sweet little old me.
One of us gotta get that money, and I chooses you.
Well, well, here they come again.
A three-legged horse? Did you get the money? Get back in there!
Hey, Charlie, you see a body around here anyplace? That's what I call using my head.
Get back down here, you ornery critter! Well, I reckon I'll do a few rope tricks. Watch this. Now go back in there and get me the money, scaredy cat.
Charlie, you see a head around here anyplace?
Hey, dummy, no cactus! Get off of me, you ornery flea bag! Now get back in there!
Hey, was somebody looking for a head? I'm a head.
Get back there!
Hey, mister, you looking for a head?
Ooh.